on today's episode, is all it does is rain in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna replace my taillight bulbs and my license plate bulbs on my new 25 F150. I'm ordering a third brake light, smoked one, but deciding on which one I want to get. I don't think I'm getting the one from F150 LEDs. However, I did order. I'm just replacing the bulbs. You could buy new taillight assemblies with integrated LEDs. The reverse lights are LED on this truck, but my license plate lights were halogens, and just the brake, turn signal, running marker light, tail lights are halogen. So for the license plates, real simple. You just reach up behind the bumper, find a spot where you can get your hands in, and quarter turn. I already got the bulb out on the right side. F150 LEDs, I've bought a lot of bulbs from them in the past. Hopefully this isn't too dark. But F150 LEDs, these are, you can see the bulbs. These are the LED bulbs for the license plate. And I don't know if it's got a part number on here. They don't, you have the actual part number, but you can search by your truck what I purchased and how much they cost, because I don't remember. I think these were like $30. Alright, so I just did the quarter turn, pulled the bulb out, or pulled the connector out. They have it taped up, so I'm going to leave it that way. It won't pull out very far. But you can just go around behind the hitch, and I'm going to pull that bulb out and plug the new one in. It's real simple. Alright, here's the factory one. 2J6 is the type of bulb. You could just search 2J6 and find any replacement LED. Alright, so I was able to drop it down lower than the bumper through here. That's what the new LED bulb looks like. There it is with the LEDs lit. If it doesn't turn on, like mine didn't turn on initially, it's just you have the polarity wrong. Flip it 180 and put it back in and it'll work, but it can only go in one way. Alright, now I'm going to quarter turn and put it back in the housing. There we go. And that completes the installation there. Okay, and here is the comparison video. LED on the right, halogen on the left. Looks old and crappy. I don't know why they still do this on these trucks. Just put what people want. It literally costs the same. This looks so much cleaner, and I'll try to show you at night too in the dark. I'm replacing the halogen bulb in the taillight. Just putting LED. They're really bright. They're Cree LEDs. One on each side. F150 LEDs. Basically, you just search by your vehicle and they'll show you. There's no part number on this. Real simple installation. I try not to touch the bulbs themselves with the oils on your hands. Pull this bolt and pull this bolt, and the taillight will pop out the side. 8mm or 5/16. They both fit on there a little bit sloppy when you're using Craftsman. Alright, both bolts are out, and this should just pull away. They usually just have to pop in. Just try not to scratch your paint. Just have to kind of pull out. Oh, there we go. Alright. This right here, I believe, is the sensor for like people crossing behind you. I think the actual light itself is this gray connector. Just has wires going to it. Right here. Alright, it's gonna pull out here. There we go. And that is your brake light. Okay, I just pushed that tab right there. And oh shit. That tab right there. And pulled the connectors off. Alright, here's what the light bulbs look like. There's also part of the bulb on the end also. So just only hold on to the housings, they just plug in. Again, make sure it works before you put it back together. They are longer, because it'll only work one way, so if you're 180 out, it won't work. And see if it works before putting it together. Alright, let there be light, nice and bright, red LED. You can see the end also. It's pretty cool. Quit beating my truck up. Alright, we know it works now, it's installed correctly. I'm going to turn everything off and put it back together. Okay. Now, same thing. It's keyed. Put it in here. Quarter turn. And you need to have that quarter turn that puts pressure on the gasket to keep moisture out. Now I can put my two connectors on, and then you just push these pins back in. There's one up here, those guide pins. Okay, and bolts in here. Remember, they're just going into plastic, so don't go crazy tightening these down. Alright, now I'm going to replace the other side, and then I'll show you a comparison now, and then also with both of them done and at night. The other nice thing, no hyper flash, that's all taken care of. Nice and bright versus a much dimmer halogen. I don't know why they don't just put the LED. It's got LED headlights and marker lights on the front, and then they put halogens in the rear. I don't get it. Gives me something to do, I guess. Spend more money. We got the other side replaced. I'm gonna put it back together. LEDs all replaced on the tail lights and license plate lights. Much brighter. I mean, the video probably doesn't do it justice. I'll get some video at dark. So much brighter. So much better looking on a new vehicle. Smoke third brake light coming next, and then I'm pretty much done with the lights. Here it is at night with the LEDs. Looks nice and bright. License plate lights. Still need to get that one taken care of. Looks nice.